Okay, folks, working with fractions. So part A, so 3A from an OCR GCSE Maths past paper for the foundation tier. Complete each statement. Part I, 3/7 equals something 28. Well, to go from 7 to 28, we times it by 4. We're going to do the same on the top. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, and these are what we call here equivalent fractions. So they mean precisely the same thing and they represent precisely the same amount. Next up, we got part II, we got a mixed number into a top-heavy fraction or an improper fraction. So to go from this to this, we do the denominator times the whole number. So 2 times by 4 is 8, and then we add on our answer to the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 4.5 as a improper fraction is 9/2, or top-heavy fraction you could say. So 9/2 or 9/2. And to go back to mixed numbers, you say how many times does 2 go into 9? It goes in 4 times fully, because 2 4s are 8, and the remainder is 1, okay, in case you're wondering. Part B, work out 2/3 minus 1/5, so subtracting fractions. The key is to have a common denominator. Okay, I'm going to do my cross multiplication. So 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3 over 3 times 5. So let's work it out. 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3 times 1 is 3 over the product of the denominators. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. So I have 10 minus 3 on the top, which is going to be 7. So it's 7/15. Okay, so I did some cross multiplication there. Okay, so where the arrows were, okay, I was multiplying those numbers. So the 2 times 5 makes 10, and then 3 times 1 makes 3. Then I put the minus sign in between because I'm subtracting it over the product of the denominators. So timesing 3 by 5, okay, which is 15. Simplify the top, then you get 7/15. Okay, this also works for addition. Okay, the key is to have a common denominator. Okay, that is the key part for adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, you're looking for ideally the lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple of the two denominators. Okay, but you're looking for the common denominator, okay, for the two numbers on the bottom of your fraction. Okay, when you're adding and subtracting. Okay, for multiplying, dividing, yeah, it's slightly different. Okay, it's not the same process. It's actually slightly easier. But yeah, for adding and subtracting, we look for common denominators.